Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to make dumplings today with 4 different foldings and cooking methods. Who does not love dumplings? No one, because once you go dumplings, you will never go back. So let's start with the cabbage part filling. Now let's grate the garlic. It will bring out extra aroma and it's easier to mix with the meat. Then we have to prepare the vegetables. Let's cut about 400 grams of cabbage into thin slices first. Then turn the cabbage around and finally chop the cabbage. Now that the cabbage is cut, we are gonna put them in a big mixing bowl with 1 teaspoon salt and stir well. Set the cabbage aside for 15 minutes. The salt will draw out the water from the cabbage and create a crunchier texture. After 15 minutes, we use the cotton pad to squeeze out the water from the cabbage before mixing it with the minced meat to avoid it getting too wet to form a proper filling. Put the veggies on the plate when there is no more water. For our next step, we will prepare the ginger and spring onion water. We will need 5 slices of ginger and 7 spring onion heads. Add 5 ice cubes and 10 tablespoons of water. Set aside for 5 minutes. Let's chop some green onion. Now we put 400 grams of minced meat into a large mixing bowl and add 5 ice cubes. We turn on the mixer at the low speed, then add 10 tablespoons of ginger and spring onion water, and also the grated garlic. The minced meat will absorb the ice water to stay moist and juicy. Mix the meat for 10 minutes in high speed to break out the connective tissue in meat, which creates a soft texture. Lastly, we add the chopped cabbage, spring onion, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is combined. I like to add 1 teaspoon sesame oil, but this is optional. If you don't have a mixer, you will need to hand mix it for about 20 minutes until the connective tissue in the meat breaks down. Now the filling is ready, let's start wrapping. Add about 1 teaspoon of filling in the wrapper. Dip your finger in a bit of water and moisten the outer edges of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper in the center and press down. The first wrapping method is done, quick and easy. The second method, moisten the whole wrapper, fold it in half and close the edges. Use the 2 thumbs to give it a good press. I think it looks good. The third method, fold the wrapper in half, make sure the filling is covered, then turn the dumplings around. Dip water on 1 corner. Now gently press the filling towards your side and connect the corners. Finally, press it into the nice shape. Press the edges together. I know what you're thinking, but it is not a UFO. Last method, folding the dumpling in half and pinching the wrapper together at the center. Make 2 pleats starting with the center, then repeat the step on the other side. Make sure that all seams are sealed. Let's do it again in slow motion. This is the most common and most popular wrapping method. And with this, we have covered 4 different methods. That was pretty easy, right? Spread tapioca starch evenly on a tray to prevent the dumplings from sticking. Make sure to leave some space in between each dumpling. I totally make 76 dumplings with this filling. If you're not cooking the dumplings right away, put the dumplings in the freezer. For the dipping sauce, we will be using bonito soy sauce, black vinegar, and Tujao style chili oil. You can substitute it with any dipping sauce that you like. For example, fried dumplings will taste good with sweet chili sauce. Bring the water to boil and add the dumplings. Once you see the dumplings floating on the top, that means it's ready to serve. Add some cabbage leaves on the bamboo basket to prevent the dumplings from sticking. Place them in the preheated steamer and steam for 15 minutes with high heat. After 15 minutes, the dumplings are ready to serve. Look how pretty! Preheat the fryer to 350 Fahrenheit. Fry the dumplings till they turn golden brown and take them out. Let the dumplings rest for 5 minutes, then fry them one more time for another 2 minutes. It will make the dumplings extra crispy. This is my favorite type of dumplings. I'm sure you will love it too. Heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Pan fry the dumplings on medium-low heat until the base turns golden brown. Then pour 2 tablespoons of water and quickly cover it with a lid. When the water evaporates completely, flip the dumplings and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Now that we have covered all 4 methods, let's take a final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my recipes, please consider to like and subscribe. See you next time!